gotta talk loud.
Oh, Bradley. You're so needy. Needy, needy, needy. Nobody on here. Everybody out hunting. Nobody cares. Peanut says, hey, what's
Peanut's
up?
upset.
Yeah, we're still waiting. I bet you everybody's hunting. Nobody's going to watch this in their deer stand.
Yeah, but you gotta remember that even though nobody's watching early, people are gonna go back and watch.
Yeah.
So you gotta
Y'all hear our new
you
dog?
gotta talk some.
That's Peanut back there. That's our new hunting dog, our squirrel dog. She's spoiled. And then there's Bradley going around on his e-bike. Y'all, there's Oakley. We're up here at the hunting club. Yep. Yep. Up here at the hunt club. Hello, two people that are watching. We haven't went live in forever. In a long time. Yeah. So we're up here at the hunting club in Arkansas. We're supposed to be deer hunting. We didn't get up. So we're up here. We got a video coming out Sunday, and we're working on it. Maybe Bradley kind of give y'all a heads up what we're working on.
We hope it's coming out.
We got 5 people now.
I'm behind.
We got Bradley right there. We got Oakley being nosy. What's going on, people? I hope y'all are able to chat with us.